It's finally here. Have you been waiting for Instagram to create a way for you to schedule your videos in advance? I know I have. Well, now it's possible. Keep watching to find out how to schedule your IGTV videos in advance from your computer. Hi there, Paigon here. Welcome back to my channel. Do you create videos for Instagram TV? I bet you've been struggling to upload your videos manually each time because there was no scheduling function. That's one of the reasons why I haven't utilized IGTV. But now that there's a scheduling function, I'll probably start repurposing my YouTube videos for that. It'll be really convenient to create batch days to upload IGTV videos now. And now what you've been waiting for. I'm going to show you how to upload your videos to IGTV using Facebook Creator Studio. Okay, so first we need to log into Facebook Creator Studio. So you go to facebook.com/Creator Studio. This is the only way to schedule IGTV videos in advance from your computer. If you go to Instagram, you can upload videos to IGTV right here under IGTV and then upload, but there's no way to schedule the IGTV video. So if you wanted to upload a video now, you can do it now, but you can't schedule it for a future date. Oh, and I also want to mention that scheduling is only available for businesses, or I should say pages. It's not for personal Facebook accounts. So once you're logged in, you're automatically in the Facebook section. To go into Instagram, you just click on this Instagram icon. Now we're going to upload your video to IGTV. So you're going to click on Create Post on the left-hand side, and you're going to choose IGTV. So you're going to find a video to upload. Then you're going to type in your title and description. Then you're going to choose a custom image. Usually I'll upload one, but I haven't created one yet, so I'm just going to pick one for now since this is just for this tutorial. And then I'm not going to share this to my feed, but you can share on your feed and your page. For my page, I can just use my YouTube thumbnail. So after you choose all these settings, if you're ready to publish your video, you can do it right now, but we're here to schedule your video. So this is what we've all been waiting for. Here's how to schedule your IGTV videos in advance. Instead of hitting post, we're going to hit the drop down menu and hit schedule. And then we're going to pick a future date. I'm going to pick like October 31st. And then maybe like 9 a.m. instead of p.m. And then schedule. Then I'm going to go to IGTV, and then you see that it's now scheduled for October 31st at 9:02 a.m. So pick a date and time that works for you. Once you select your date, click schedule and you're all set. Do you need help creating videos? You can download my free step-by-step video creation process by clicking the link in the description box down below. Scheduling your IGTV videos in advance from your computer is really simple. Are you going to start doing it? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friends so that I know to make more videos like this. Until next week, bye.